Every sunrise brings warmth and life, but hidden within its light are invisible ultraviolet rays. In Japan's fertile countryside, ideal weather and rich soil help grow premium tomatoes with exceptional quality.
Only the healthiest and highest quality tomatoes are selected for the journey ahead.
With harvesting complete, the first ingredient begins its journey across the world, where many more natural treasures will join it. Thousands of kilometers away, another important natural ingredient begins its journey in the historic vineyards of France. Carefully selected grapes are harvested at the right moment to capture their valuable natural compounds. Before traveling across continents, every ingredient goes through strict quality checks. From local farms to global supply chains, every ingredient follows a carefully controlled journey. In the colder regions of Canada, wild berries grow slowly under unique conditions, developing powerful natural antioxidants. These delicate berries are collected with care, preserving the natural compounds that make them valuable. After harvesting, every berry is carefully checked before becoming part of the global ingredient supply. Different ingredients from different corners of the world are now beginning a journey toward one destination. In the warm tropical regions of South Asia, another powerful natural ingredient begins its journey: the golden mango.
At peak ripeness, mangoes are carefully harvested to preserve their natural skin-loving nutrients.
Before traveling across oceans, every mango is carefully inspected and prepared for its international journey. Each coconut is carefully collected, carrying natural oils that will later become part of advanced skincare formulations. Through careful processing, natural coconut oil is extracted and prepared for the next stage of the journey. From farms across the planet, every natural ingredient is now moving toward one advanced manufacturing facility. After traveling thousands of kilometers, these carefully selected ingredients finally approach the place where science and nature will come together. Inside this advanced facility, thousands of carefully controlled steps transform natural ingredients into a finished skincare product. Before production begins, every ingredient is inspected to ensure quality, purity, and safety.
Look at this well. The reaction is significantly stronger than the control group. Yes, the data confirms it. I am logging the results now.
This state-of-the-art manufacturing hall represents a new era in skincare production, combining massive scale with precision technology.
Inside these advanced tanks, carefully measured ingredients begin combining into a smooth skincare base.
Botanical extracts and nourishing ingredients help create a comfortable skincare experience.
Advanced machinery creates a perfectly smooth texture, ensuring every portion of the sunscreen has consistent quality. The journey continues as powerful natural compounds are extracted from fresh tomatoes, bringing valuable antioxidants into the sunscreen formula.
The polyphenol levels look excellent on the scan.
Agreed. We'll proceed with the cold pressing next.
From northern berry fields, natural vitamins and antioxidant compounds are carefully extracted and prepared for the final formula. The viscosity levels look perfect on this batch.
Confirmed. The flow rate is steady.
From tropical coconut farms, pure coconut oil adds moisturizing properties to the advanced sunscreen formula. We carefully blend the vibrant fruit extracts with pure coconut oil, ensuring the highest quality in every batch. The most important step begins now, adding proven UV filters that help protect skin from harmful ultraviolet radiation.
The consistency is excellent.
Yes, the homogenization is holding steady. Good to proceed.
The most important step begins now, adding proven UV filters that help protect skin from harmful ultraviolet radiation. With every quality check complete, the sunscreen is automatically filled into clean, ready-to-use tubes.
Now fully packaged, thousands of sunscreen products are prepared for distribution around the world. From the factory floor, the finished sunscreen begins its journey to stores and families across the world. From the factory floor, the finished sunscreen begins its journey to stores and families across the world. From one production facility, millions of sunscreen products begin their journey to customers across the globe.
This seal looks compromised. We need a full inspection.
Copy that, Sector 4. Rerouting pickup to Hold Bay 2.
How long on the clearance?
Regional warehouses quickly deliver the products to stores, making them available before the next sunny day begins.
We checked the label, and this one is exactly what we needed. Super happy with it.
All right, almost ready for the water. Don't forget the ears. The waves are perfect right now. Let's head out. Yeah, I'm right behind you.
I love that it doesn't leave a white cast, seriously.
It's perfect for my morning run. It just blends right in.
You can't even tell I'm wearing it, which is exactly what I need.